Hi, Danica here, and I built WordPress membership site. And in this video, we're gonna continue working on this demo membership site that we've worked on. So in the past video, we have set up the automation for how to drip your content. So if you have missed that, I highly suggest you check those previous videos before you continue with this one, because this is part of that. In this video, as I promised, we're gonna use the points custom field that we set up. I'm gonna show you how you could create a gamification using Memberium alone, and we're gonna do a points system. So we're gonna allow members to claim certain bonus if they have enough points in their account. In my example here, so this is the page that I set up. So the way this works is, example, if you have some bonus content or resources and you want your members to claim or to be able to claim those resources if they have enough points, this is a simple example that I created. So I am logged in using my test account, and as you can see, I have 100 points, and there's 2 available bonus that I could redeem. So if I refresh this, just to make sure we have the right data. So 100 points, bonus 1 and bonus 2, and there's a redeem this bonus link. Now you could, of course, design this page whatever you need to, but I'm using the default Gutenberg editor because I want to read this shortcode with you, and I think it's much easier to have this formatted this way. I also want to show you that you don't really need to use Elementor if it's not your preference. Memberium shortcode works for whatever page builder you need or you want to use. So you could choose which one you prefer. Again, in this example, we're just gonna stick with Gutenberg. Before we read this shortcode, I'm gonna show you the setup that we had in ActiveCampaign. So as you can see here in my test account, I have 100 points. These are my tags. And in the recent video, I showed you that I have created fields for this points. So it's in here. I also created a new automation. I set this to minus 30 points whenever they claim a bonus. So I just make it clear that this is for claiming the bonus. And inside this automation, what I have is a math that will subtract 30 from the points custom field. And of course, I am updating the contact record whenever I subtract some points to a member. And then here, so I also set up 2 tags, bonus 1 and bonus 2. I'm going to the members and then create new to easily get the tag ID. So if you type in your existing tag from ActiveCampaign, you could easily see the tag ID here. So I have tag ID 36 for bonus 1 when they claim it, and then 37 for bonus 2 when they claim it. So I created that in ActiveCampaign. And if we check our tags here, so you can see that these are my tags. Now we have all of the information that we need to set this up. So depending on your requirements, you need to prepare these tags or whatever automation that will subtract points based on how you need this to work. So let's check the shortcode here. So in the bonus page, what I have is I have points here. So it says your total points, and then I'm using this shortcode from Memberium. If you check this, like go to documentation and then shortcodes, I'm just gonna open it here. This one. So it gives you an instruction for how you need, or you can use the fields that you have in ActiveCampaign. In my case, I'm using the points field that I created. So it says mem underscore. I hope it's big enough. I'm gonna just zoom in. But mem underscore contact fields equals points. And then I just added a spacer here. And then this is my shortcode. Now let's dissect this one by one. So first is this part, this and this. So we have this one, this one. So we have this, and this. So we're using the Memberium has any tag, and if we check that shortcode here, you could see how you could exactly use this shortcode. It says shows the user with this tag. So if a login user has this tag ID, then it will show this message. If not, you could set a message in here. And that's what I'm using here. So if they have this ID, which is the bonus one claim that we set up, this one, if they have that ID, then I'm just gonna say, here's your bonus one claim, but you could you could do an advanced format here. Like example, this could be a video or downloadable file or whatever you need it to. But this is the portion where you insert the bonus content after they have claimed it. Now, if they haven't claimed it yet, then that's gonna show the not claimed. If I don't have, or if a login member does not have this ID, then you can set that here. Now, my content starts from here up to here. So I'm just gonna make it more clear. So this is my not yet claimed content, and the above one, this is my claim content. So what you're seeing here is not my claim content. So I haven't claimed the bonus one yet, and this is what I see. This is equals to this. So as you can see here, it says color red, and here's your bonus one, and that's why it is color red. Just to make it more clear visually. And it says here mem if value 1 and then contact points test equals GE value 2 30. I'm gonna explain what this exactly means, but let's just read it. And then I am showing this link. If mem else mem if you don't have enough points to claim this bonus. So if they have lesser than 30 points, this is gonna show, this message is gonna show. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to duplicate this spacer because I would like you to see that you don't have this message showing later. So I'm gonna duplicate this, and this one I'm just gonna have this 38, 38. So let's just say if I add another tag, bonus 3, that should be tag ID 38, bonus 3, contact points GE, and so I think that's good. So I'm just gonna save this. Now this, hold on, it's loading, but this shortcode here, if we put more space, So memf value, this is a shortcode from Memberium, and it's using this shortcode mem compare and then memf. So what I'm using is this one. So I'm using comparing a contact custom field. So memf value 1, and I'm calling the custom field points test. The test here, you need to set a value inside, whether that equal to or something. And then value 2, I set it to 30 because I want that each bonus requires 30 points because that's what we're gonna deduct before they can actually claim it. And then you could set a success message and failure message, and that's what I'm doing here. So if they have enough points, I'm showing this link so that they could redeem the bonus. But if they don't, I want to show this link. So it really gives you freedom for what exactly you want to show here. But in their example, it's just saying success and failure. So it's giving you an example that if they have this, if this is true, then show this. If not, then show this. Now, in this test equals parameter, you need to add the value from here. So there's a guide below. So you could use equals equals, that means equals. You could use GT, which is greater than, LT, which is less than, GE, which is the one that I'm using, that means greater than or equal to, because I want them to be able to redeem the bonus if they have greater than or equal to 30 points, because that is the requirement that I set. Less than, less or equal, not equal, begins with, and so on. So this gives you the complete value that you can use in that parameter. Now in our example here, I'm using the GE here, which is greater than or equal to 30. So the way this reads is, if the login member's points is greater than or equal to 30, then allow them to redeem this bonus. If not, tell them that they don't have enough points to claim the bonus. So that's how it exactly works. So let's just test this so that you could see. I'm gonna refresh here. The bonus tree is not gonna work because we don't have the tag yet, but I'm gonna show you how this works. So I'm just gonna move myself on the other side. Okay, so let's get started. In the bonus here, I'm gonna claim bonus 1. So I will say redeem this bonus. It's gonna refresh. And this refresh, what's happening is it relies on the redirect that you have set here. So redirect, and then you set that here. As you can see, I set the way this shortcode works is I'm using the mem automation link. This one, it gives you an example. What I copy this lower part. And the way that reads is redeem this bonus. The way this link works is it will start an automation. So you could set that. And automation ID 7 in my case is the -1 that we have. Minus 30 points. This one. As you can see, you could get the ID here. Okay. So, when they redeem this bonus, automation 7 will start, and then I will also apply tag ID 37, which is the bonus 1 claim. And then I'm gonna redirect them to exactly the same page, which is why it did load. And when it loaded, as you can see, from 100 points, we only have 70 points now. And from having the red headline, it now says, here's your bonus 1 claim. But of course, if I, example, add a video here, maybe like example, I'm gonna add href, just so you see, download your PDF here, something like that, an example of a bonus. Okay, let's see how that looks. Oops, I put it in the wrong one. Sorry. That should be above. Okay, so download your PDF here. So I claim my bonus one and I can now download my file, which is an example here. Now let's try claiming bonus 2. So redeem this bonus. Okay, and it says bonus 2 claim. Now there's some delay happening because the points has not been deducted. And I think I know the reason why. So in my automation here, I forgot to add stop and this automation. So I think my contact was stuck in here. Let's also open the update contact just to make sure. Update contact. If we have ended it properly. Okay. So let's just check. Refresh. Okay, so I'm gonna try that again. Let me just open my account here. And as you can see, the points here has actually been updated, and in the WordPress site, it still haven't been updated. So we're gonna check why. And as mentioned, the reason for that is the update contact record was not run properly. So let's just try doing that again. So the points was 70, right? And we have, let's just update the contact record. Okay. And then I'm gonna refresh. Okay, so let's try that again. So redeem this bonus. And as you can see, the points is now 40 after refreshing it again. There is a bit of delay. So, because Memberium needs to talk with the ActiveCampaign that, hey, the points has been deducted, refresh the, contact record. So let me just check in the shortcode, because in the keep version, there's a sync data. Update. Okay. There's a sync, if we check the keep ActiveCampaign. Oops. Memberium. If we check here, there's a shortcode. Keep docs. And then here, shortcode. There's a sync. This one. Let me just check if there's a keep version. Unfortunately, there's no keep version for this. But the way this works is if this shortcode is in the page, it's gonna synchronize the data right away. But as you can see, we had some delay when the points has been, the bonus has been claimed. The points did not reflect right away. But let's just continue. Another way of doing this is we could also create a refresh or redirect page. Like example, a redirect and says, working on claiming your bonus, and then having that point to that page, and then after that redirect them back in the bonus. I think that will solve the delay here, because by that time Memberium and ActiveCampaign should have been synced properly, and the points here will be whatever is the latest one. I'm gonna record a video of that one for how that exactly works. And I'm gonna show you how you could set it up. But for in this video, let's just continue and try to claim bonus 3. Now, as you can see, bonus 3 still says redeem this bonus, but I want to show you a message that says you don't have enough points to claim this bonus for bonus 3. So the way this will work is I'm going to change this to 50. So I want bonus 3 to have a 50, for the members to have at least 50 points to claim the bonus. I'm going to change this message that says you don't have enough points to claim this bonus. Instead, I'm going to say you need at least 50 points to claim this bonus. Okay. And then let's just refresh. Okay, it says you need at least 50 points to claim this bonus. So I could no longer redeem this one, and there's no link. So if I add another points here and it becomes 50 or more than 50, then I should be able to claim bonus 3. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. I just want to show you how you could use points for your membership site. And again, we're not using any additional plugin. We're not using Gamipress or whatever other gamification plugin that's available out there. We're using purely the Memberium's functionality, their shortcode. And as you can see, we have able to achieve that, and we now have a points system what they could use. So if you can remember in my last video, we were giving 50 points whenever a lesson day is open. So if you could imagine the 7-day free trial member in our demo, after they end up on day 7, they will have a total of 350 points. So with that points, they will be able to claim some bonus and resources that I may set up in here. And I'm going to show more of that in my future videos. And I'm also going to show you how that redirect works, and how you could set it up to solve that delay that you need Memberium and ActiveCampaign, that you need to give to Memberium and ActiveCampaign so that the points here will be up to date. Because as you have seen in my example earlier, the points was not refreshed right away. I needed to reload the page again to show it. Okay, so I hope this video helps. If you have any question, let me know. In my next video, we're gonna dive in and try to set up some levels for your members in this demo site. And we're still gonna use purely Memberium. And again, I'll show you an example to that. So if you have any question regarding this points system with Memberium and what else you could set up, you can comment down below your question, and I'll do my best to answer that as soon as I could. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.